Welcome to my channel, Styles for All.
We're diving into the world of glam makeup looks, and I've got incredible makeup ideas
that will leave you looking absolutely stunning.
First up, we have the perfect green eye makeup looks. Trust me, this look is so on trend and will make your eyes pop.
Next on the list is a must-try purple and blue eyeshadow makeup look.
This vibrant hue is absolutely gorgeous and adds a pop of color to any outfit.
You can create a natural brown eyeshadow look that complements any skin tone. It's the perfect shade for a daily makeup routine. Stay tuned for the results.
We'll be experimenting with a unique nude and light green eyeshadow makeup look. This bold choice will definitely make a statement. Our next idea features an intriguing black eyeliner eyeshadow makeup look. This bold choice will definitely turn heads. Stay tuned for the results. That wraps up today's video on glam makeup ideas. I hope you enjoyed these unique looks, and that they inspired you to try something new in your own makeup routine. If you loved this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this one. Until next time, stay beautiful. Thank you for watching.